Welcome back to Fun Fluencies with Magically Talented. In this episode, we will practice the take from 10 strategy using teen numbers up to 20. We can use the take from 10 strategy in 4 easy steps. First, look at the numbers of the subtraction problem. 2. Subtract by taking from or subtracting from 10. Next, we will put together or add the numbers we have left. 4. Our final step is to answer the original subtraction problem. Let's start by reading our letter to find out more about our task. Dear scholars, we can use what we know about partners to 10 to use the take from 10 strategy. On the following slides, use the counting cubes to quickly subtract the given numbers. Happy counting! So we will use our partners to 10 to help us take from 10. We're going to use pictures or counters to help us see the math as we learn to use the strategy. Let's get started. 13 minus 5. Let's get our 13 counting cubes so we can see our work. We have a group of 10 and we have a group of 3. Is it easier for us to take 5 away from that group of 10, or is it easier for us to take 5 away from 3? Yes, it is easy for us to take 5 away from 10. We can do that all at once. I want you to put an imaginary line through the 5 cubes using your fingers, just like this. Great. Now we can take them all away. What do you see? We have 5 cubes from subtracting 10 minus 5, and we have 3 from 13, the number we started with. What do you think we should do with these two numbers? What should we do with the cubes we have left? If you said add them together, you are correct. So we have 5 plus 3, and that equals 8. And that means 13 minus 5 also equals 8. Great counting. 12 minus 6. How many counting cubes will we need? If you said 12, you are correct. We have a group of 10 and we have a group of 2 to make up that 12. And we're taking 6 away. Is it easier for us to take 6 away from the 10 or 6 away from the 2? Yes, it is easier for us to take 6 away from the 10. Go ahead and draw an imaginary line through the 6 cubes, just like this. Now let's take them all away. And I see that we have 4 left and 2 more. What do we need to do with the cubes that we have left? We need to put them together or add them. So that's 4 plus 2, and that equals 6. So what do we know about 12 minus 6? That also equals 6. Great subtracting, mathematicians. Let's try one more. 17 minus 9. Let's get our 17 counters. What are the 2 groups we have here? We have a group of 10 and a group of 7. Is it easier for us to take 9 away from the 10 or 9 away from the group of 7? Of course it's easier for us to take 9 away from the 10. Go ahead and get that imaginary line going, like this. Now let's take them all away, and we have 1 left up top, and a group of 7 down below. What do we need to do with these 2 groups? We need to put them together or add them. So that's 1 plus 7, and that equals 8. So 17 minus 9 is also 8. Great counting, friends. Did you know learning and practicing this strategy will help us to quickly solve subtracting larger numbers? We'll practice that in our next episode. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.